KVUE Stock Analysis. In this 1 minute video, I'm showing you my exact play because this is super interesting. Kenvue Incorporated. So the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos and documented them all, it's me. I have all the proof and everything. You can check it all out. It's taken me 5 years and tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, which you obviously don't have to spend. KVUE particular finally broke structure up because the most recent prediction that I've gotten was here. It was a while back. This was back when it was 21.94 and it was back 17th of February 2025. And we've came a very long way, very long way. All I'm practically looking is to still buy more. Bro, last thing that I'm gonna do is randomly get involved, you know. So in this particular instance, if there is a pull down and a double break, then and only then I'm looking to buy. Other than that, pure noise, man. I don't give an F, right? Don't give an F. No rules are met. I'm not looking to buy whatsoever. And if you want to learn how I make it 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye.